What's up, Magic Makers? Today I want to talk about why every single creator needs a signature workshop. Now, my business without social media signature workshop has grown my email list by more than 2,500 people this year alone. I delivered it live to over 3,000 people in the last year. And I just got to ask, when was the last time posting on social media built your email list and following by more than 2,500 people? My guess is, unless you're spending a large fortune, you're not getting those types of gains with your business. Now, the most beautiful thing of all is I literally show up and teach this thing for 1 hour. I tour it to other people's virtual stages. Their audience loves it. Then they come over, they join my email list, they'll sign up for my communities, they'll buy my offerings, etc. This is such a simple marketing strategy that every single person could be implementing into their businesses. Your signature workshop is like the gateway drug that people enter into your world. You guide them through a transformational experience, and then you invite them to continue on the journey, whether it's joining your membership, buying your flagship or signature training, whatever it might be, one-on-one coaching. There's so many things that you could be doing. But it is your signature workshop, a powerful, transformational, facilitated experience. It's way different than a podcast. Just think about this. And this is my argument against podcasting. I have nothing against podcasts. This is a podcast if you're listening to the Making Magic podcast right now. I love podcasting. I love being a guest on podcasts. I love having people on my podcast. But when was the last time you listened to a really inspiring podcast and you immediately went to the guest's website, you signed up for their newsletter, and you purchased something from them? It happens rarely. I can count probably in the last decade, maybe 1 or 2 times that I've joined the email list and purchased something from that person that I heard on a podcast randomly. So a signature workshop is different because you're going and being a guest on somebody else's stage. You're saying, hey, I've got this signature workshop. Here's the 3 ways it's going to benefit your audience. I offer it for free. Could I come do this for your audience? And then they'll say, yeah, sure, that sounds great. So you go, they help promote it. They fill it up with people. All those people join your email list as a result of them hosting you for this signature workshop. And then you get to deliver it. You get to facilitate a transformational experience. And in 60 minutes, the people that come and they join it, they have a shift, whether it's an epiphany, a new insight, a new template. They receive some form of tangible value that makes their life or their business run smoother and better. And then you have the invitation at the end, if you want to go deeper, if you want to take the next step on this journey, come with me. It's way different than a podcast that's just a conversation. People typically will walk away with an inspirational podcast, but their life may not necessarily be forever changed. The signature workshop is meant to transform people's reality. And when you transform somebody's reality, they're way more likely to come on a journey with you and take those next steps. And this is why it's so important. Like literally, you could wipe away all of the work you do on social media and just focus on touring a signature workshop, and that will forever transform your business. You could literally replace all that and free up so much more of your time. And this September, I am leading a 5 workshop series of designing and marketing your signature workshop. All the ways that you're going to market it are the ways that I market Magic Media without social media. Sure, if you want to do social media to market your signature workshop, go for it. But I'm going to help you to design your signature workshop so that it's transformational. It provides the benefits. You can use our website templates if you need to. And you're going to just learn the ways to take this on tour so that in 2024 and the rest of this year, you're going to have this signature workshop that can become the way that you grow your business. This has been transformational for me. I wish I would have known this stuff 10 years ago. I had a habit, like most, of overcomplicating my marketing strategy. And literally, this is one of the main ways that I'm growing Magic Media right now. And so by popular demand, I'm offering this Design Your Signature Workshop training, and I'm going to help you do the same. I'm going to help you market it. I'm going to help you take it on tour. And everybody who goes through the training, we're all going to deliver our signature workshops in the same week. So we can go to each other's, we can support each other, we can market each other's, and we all get to celebrate those successes. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be very creative. You're going to learn a ton. And at the end of it, you're going to have an incredible new marketing strategy that helps you to find new people, to grow your email list, to grow your revenue streams, and to build a business you love with more time freedom and space to enjoy your life, which is not what this is all about. So this is why every single creator needs a signature workshop. If you don't have a signature workshop, if this is not a part of your strategy right now, get in this workshop, all right? Sign up today. If you join the Magic Mind, my community, you get access to the signature workshop series, plus all of my other courses, trainings, and creator templates. The templates that we use for all of our Magic partnerships are available that we've generated several $1 million over the last few years with. So that's what's available to you. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to support you, cheer you on, help you bring your best work forward. And I can't wait to hear what your signature workshop is all about. Comment if you have one. Send me an email. I want to hear from you. Thanks so much for tuning in.